Hello, my name is Ji Wong. This video is for the presentation on computer graphics for the second project. Car modeling has been developed throughout the history of cars. The first car was made by Carl Benz, the founder of Mercedes-Benz. Its design was based on his personal style. Cars became widely available in the early 20th century with the release of Ford's Model T. After that time, whenever car companies would launch new cars, they took design trends to consideration with research and development. And it's now a common sense to have a R&D team in every car company, and they invest immense expenses in the car modeling. The purpose of this project is making simulator that can help car modeling. So how this simulator can help car modeling? Because it can save the immense expense. If there is an accurate and intuitive simulator, companies will focus on design itself, not how their prototype is similar enough to their design. Secondly, the simulator enables designers to test its feature in various environments such as ocean view, mountain view, or the desert. And by using these test results, they can change the concept depending on the country they release their product. Blender is an open source 3D modeling program, so it's free. But it provides powerful performances as much as other 3D graphic softwares such as Maya or 3ds Max. Um, for this project, only modeling, texture, and animation part will be used, but it supports basically every graphic activities, including sculpting, rendering, and rigging. Because I didn't have any experience in Blender, so I referred the largest 3D modeling website called Sketchfab. Sketchfab provides all kinds of 3D modeling stuff, no matter what their topic is. So I could look up the car category and have a look at the related models and could be inspired by checking their matcap or wireframe. This project aims to achieve 3D modeling skills to make the simulator, and it is also required to set the quality of models to near commercial levels. And for the real usage, it enables the testing of models in various colors and backgrounds. Modeling in computer science means a 3D graphic modeling process in virtual space of computer. Starts from the three-dimensional square. It can make any form of 3D object on layout by using functions like move, rotate, and scale, etc. With blueprint of car, modeling can be much more specific. The number of wireframe are greatly increased, and it means the difference in the details of structure. Next feature I worked on was texture. Texture is including all activities to decorate the object that is made by modeling. It enables the object to express the impression, which is a common sense to human, not for computers. For example, black color of tires or a shiny headlight are examples of the texture of car model. The dye color model turn into the colorful car like this. For this project, mirroring is used to make a same pattern for both sides, and blooming is for a glowing headlight of car. Transparent window is also part of texture, made multiple selection and clipping. And texture color of object can be varied by the position of the light. And the number of light is not limited, so creator can deploy light for each object. Adding the light color to yellow wouldn't be enough. Therefore, emission is implemented by changing the BSDF surface to emission surface. Um, the level of brightness can be adjusted with strength. Since headlight and tail light are connected by the same node, its characteristic is shared. The last feature I implemented is animation. With the models that completed by modeling and texture, creator is allowed to make an animation. Animation in the context of Blender is making a movement. All figures can be the path of any object. The track in the video is circular one, but whether that is a circle or square, animation is functioning. Not only figures, line or curves can be a path. The animation is moldable with a good background. HDR files are the background files of Blender by applying it into Blender's world. But the difficulty I found of animation is finding a good background was difficult. For example, for the car simulator, most of the backgrounds are not like a car track, so I had to find the picture of highway or bridges so that movement I made on the edit mode is familiar with and match with the background. Here is the conclusion of this project. The simulator is functioning, but it still needs to be improved. The outcome was not close to near commercial levels. Users like car designers are required to have knowledge of the 3D graphic program. Even though Blender is working with a particular programming language like Python, but the blend file won't be familiar to every user. Blender does not have a function like export, and its object can be imported by other programs such as Unity. So when creators have to present their work, they need to know how to make execution files like exe. As it was shown in the video, blueprints was the point of modeling. This gives the possibility that this project is not limited to the car simulator, but it can include all kinds of vehicle simulators such as truck, boat, and plane with their blueprint. In overall reflection, I could have found the difficulty in making lots of models vastly and accurately. The number of models I made for this project was 2 or 3, which was not enough number when I schemed this project in the proposal. For the future project, which can be about another vehicle simulator, the next creator needs to be skillful in the 3D program. They will work on with the proper sources. They can be found for free or covered by their budget.